How to use effects in messages on iPhone and iPad. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to use effects in messages on iPhone in iOS 17. Let's get started without wasting any time. First, launch the Messages app on your device. At the Messages, tap this icon to open the new Messages page. Now tap plus button and select the recipient's contact. You can also type the number. Now type your message that you want to send. After you type your message, press and hold the green send icon for a few seconds. Some options will appear above the green send icon. From this option, you have to select Slump and at the top select Screen. As soon as you select the Screen option, many hello bubbles will move on your screen, as you can see on my screen. Let's now how we can change the effect. To change the effect, swipe from right to left side. As soon as you swipe from the right to left, the effect will change. That's all you have to do. Like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.